We at Effortville.Primary School consider the Serenity Resource Connector a blessing because of the work put in by Mrs. Winsome Witter. We have benefited greatly from being included in the Culture Corner. Can I tell you, this has propelled our school to the national stage. Having been on the show helped us to concrete our sense of belonging. It helped us to reach out to the persons in our immediate community. And of course, we were on the World Wide Web. So without a doubt, we were featured for all to see that we have something that is worth looking at, that is worth putting on your stage, that is worth being a part of your entertainment package. We are ever so grateful for having been included, and we say hats off to Mrs. Witter and all the work that she's been doing. It has been an awesome program, an awesome innovation, and we thank you very much. We look forward to continued success, and of course, we definitely want to be featured again. Thank you very much, Serenity Resource Connector. Thank you.